Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to schedule an appointment. First, determine the exact purpose of your visit and how urgent it is. Next, gather all necessary information, such as your personal details, insurance information, and your available dates and times. Finally, decide whether you prefer to schedule online through a portal or by making a phone call. This preparation saves time and ensures a smooth process. When scheduling, you have several options. Online portals are great for flexibility, allowing you to book anytime, day or night. For more complex needs or immediate questions, a phone call provides direct interaction with a staff member. Sometimes, scheduling in person is best, especially if you are already at the location. Each method offers distinct advantages depending on your situation and preference. During the actual scheduling, be clear and concise. State your reason for the appointment and your preferred dates and times. Once a slot is offered, confirm all the details, including the exact date, time, and location. It is also wise to ask about their cancellation policy and if any specific documents or preparations are needed before your visit. This ensures clarity for everyone involved. After scheduling, always ask for confirmation, whether it is an email, text, or verbal recap. This provides a record and peace of mind. Immediately add the appointment to your personal calendar, setting a reminder for 1 day prior. Finally, gather any necessary documents or information well in advance, ensuring you are fully prepared for your visit. This final step helps prevent missed appointments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.